Delta Schools. Exceptionally well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath, with approximately 1,794 square feet. Circular floor plan includes formal living, formal dining, family room, eat-in kitchen, and enclosed/screened porch. Oversized lot at the end of a cul-de-sac measures 0.56 acres. Updated kitchen features stainless steel fingerprint-resistant appliances, solid surface countertops, eating/serving bar, tile backsplash, and waterproof vinyl plank flooring. Family room has gas fireplace with blower and new carpet 2022. Owner's suite has attached bath with shower. Guest bath features tile walls and tub/shower combo. Access to screened porch from garage. Partial PVC privacy fence, 2 storage sheds, fire pit, and open patio complete the backyard retreat. Average monthly utilities as follows: gas, $115, electric, $90, rental water heater, $20, rental water softener, $29, sewage, $70. Directions: Walnut to Annie, west to Perry Court, north to 7501.